Welcome back to LiltXL Speaks. And right now, if you can see or hear, it's raining. So I wanted to do a video. LiltXL Speaks out in the rain. Just thought it'd be different, cool. You know what I mean? There's worms crawling out everywhere. The worm. If you can see it, it's raining. But you know, just chilling out here. Feels good. I mean, everything's been going good. And today we just talked about sitting in silence sometimes. You gotta just sit and take a break from all the busy thoughts in our mind and just slow down and sit down and just breathe and try to have a time for you every now and then where you're not thinking so much. Because I know sometimes we think so much, it like just exhausts our head, so, and like when the thoughts come up in your head, you let them appear, and then slowly they'll fade away, You just let them arise and you watch them as they move, like clouds in the sky, you know, like they move all in front of the sun, but the sun still stands there strong, while the thoughts still move and disappear and stuff. But when you grab onto a thought, you can make it heavy, and make it grow. So, and there's a lot of thoughts out in the universe, so every thought that you hear, it didn't exactly come from you, your true nature, or from your true self. So once you get some time to just, like I said, be alone, able to sit down, just enjoy nature, like I'm saying, I think it just gives you more peace. Like everybody would like to have some peace every now and then. Like Jesus, just to feel like it's chaos a lot, in this time. You have some time for peace to be really great for you and for the people around you also. But if you're watching this video with me, we're just gonna take a couple of seconds, like probably 20 seconds, to just sit in silence, and I want you to watch how the thoughts arise in your brain. And it's like it wants you to be busy, it wants you to think, but it's like you have to literally just try not to think, because that's going to make more thoughts come in your head by trying not to think. Just watch the thoughts as they arise and just let them pass. But that just helps me a lot. It helps me feel more peaceful and stuff like that, like I was saying. So remember to always give yourself, at least try to get 10 or 15 minutes a day of just being quiet. And once you do that and you feel the peace, like you're gonna want to do it even more. So it'll end up probably being more than 15, 20 minutes. I really love you guys a lot. I love you guys. I feel like you guys are a part of me in some way. Well, because I know we're all connected, you know, and I know we're all God, in separate forms. And it trips me out because when I be talking to people, their thoughts will be so different than what I'll have in my head at that time. It's like, what the crap? Like, are we not connected to the same creator at this point? Because our things aren't connecting, if you know what I mean. So it's like, but we all are a part of the same creator and have the same intelligence. There's only one intelligence. We just all pick which ones we want to grab and, recycle. But when you speak from truth and at the center point, you won't have to worry. You won't have to worry about if you're saying the right thing or not. God loves us all a lot. And this LiltXL speaks. I love you guys a lot. Yeah. I want you guys to just like see what I see, but you can't really, it's really bright. I'm just looking at these clouds up here. And right, these clouds are just moving across the sky. And there's birds flying. And the trees are starting to get the leaves back because it's about to turn spring. And the seasons are changing. It's raining. It's April. They say the April showers and stuff, but it's just like, yeah, we know that, but it's like, why? That's cool, you know. And and I think it's just something to get your mind off of the things that would bring you in a state where you don't feel happy. But this little TXL speaks, and there's Brittany over there. Everybody say hey. We love you guys. Have a great day. This little TXL speaks.